Hello everyone, it's Professor McIntosh, your Small Business Navigator, here to help you decide whether doing a business plan is right for you. You have a lot of people who claim to be small business gurus, who say to hell with writing a business plan, and you have others who will say you must write a business plan before you start your business. I teach a class called Small Business Management, and in that class I assign my students to complete a business plan. I can definitely tell you this is their least favorite assignment and the one they have the most trouble with. I know they hate me at the time, but they love me for it later. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you, doing a business plan is no joke. It can be daunting, and there are a lot of elements of your business that you need to address. And for some of you, most of the elements you haven't even thought of yet. Then there is the research aspect, and then taking all the information, putting it together, and then writing the plan. Those who are against business plans say that writing them creates roadblocks for entrepreneurs because they get so stressed out and caught up in writing the plan that they never start the business. And sadly, that is true. Some say that writing a business plan provides structure and creates a roadmap for the entrepreneur to follow to keep them on track and moving forward. Some others will tell you all you need to do is develop an action plan, which is less daunting, but at the same time makes you focus on just the key areas of your business and helps you create milestones for you to achieve, which in their minds helps you keep moving forward and starting your business. So, an action plan is more as a plan as you go type strategy. Now, your question may be, which one is right for you? Well, I don't know. It all depends on the business, the person, and the funding sources you'll be going after, as some will require a business plan. So whether you're already operating a business or just getting started, this seminar will cover all the elements of creating a business plan, such as your company's description, your operations plan, your marketing plan, your management plan, doing an industry analysis, a market analysis, a competitor analysis, and one of the most important sections of any business plan, your financials, which include an income statement, balance sheet, statement of cash flows, your break-even point, startup costs, and so much more. So if I gave you a headache just thinking about all of that, don't lose hope because there is always the action plan. So at this seminar, I'll provide you the foundation to get started on either one you choose. My students always tell me writing their business plan is hard and stresses them out. And I say it shouldn't be hard, but exciting because it's your vision. And doing a plan helps you realize the opportunity, gives you the mindset to maximize your potential, and sets the foundation to start doing what you love. On a side note, should you need additional help in conceptualizing or writing your business plan, please note I will have a corresponding business plan workshop where I will lecture on every element of the plan and go step by step and help you write your business plan. For those who can attend, that workshop will also be available online. But just to get started, excited, and your mind's brewing, I truly encourage you to attend this business plan seminar. So register now at empoweringsuccessnow.org, and I hope to see you there.